For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. BJP National President JP Nadda attacked the Pinarayi Vijayan-led Kerala government, questioning its involvement in the gold smuggling case.
About the gold smuggling. You see, the color of the gold is yellow everywhere, but the color of gold in Kerala is red and red. We have to understand this. What is the relationship between that IT officer and the personal secretary of the Chief Minister? There is a heat which takes we can see the heat in Chief Minister's office also.
Nadda was addressing Kerala BJP workers after he virtually inaugurated the party's newly constructed district committee office building in Kasaragod. On Wednesday, Vijayan had written a letter to Prime Minister Modi seeking an effective and coordinated probe by the central agencies into the gold scam. Nadda mocked Vijayan's letter and said that the Kerala Chief Minister was involved in the scam.
Pinarayi government has messed up the COVID crisis. Here I would like to share with you that how Pinarayi government tried to see to it that the actual figures are suppressed. Even the Indian Medical Association and the doctors also came out that we should increase the tests for COVID-19. But the attitude of the state government was never positive. It was always negative.
The scam came to light after the Customs Department seized 30 kilograms of gold from an air cargo consignment from United Arab Emirates to the country's consulate in Thiruvananthapuram last Sunday. Two key accused in the smuggling case have been taken into custody by the National Investigation Agency in Bengaluru. Swapna Suresh and Sandeep Nair were missing since their names cropped up in the case. The Pinarayi Vijayan government is facing the heat over how the duo managed to exit the state. Chief Minister Vijayan's personal secretary M. Shivashankar was transferred from his post after the case came to light. He was transferred because he was involved in the hiring of Swapna Suresh, who was working in the state IT department. Another accused, Sarith, has already been arrested by the Customs Preventive Department. The NIA had on Friday registered the FIR under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. JP Nadda also accused the Kerala government of fudging COVID-19 numbers.
2 days back, I saw a letter the Chief Minister is writing to the Prime Minister and saying that no stone should remain unturned as far as the investigation is concerned. हमारे यहाँ हिंदी में कहावत है कि चोर के दाढ़ी में तिनका. It means that somewhere the office of Chief Minister is also involved.
Total number of active COVID cases in Kerala stand at 3,446.